before. And again, our approach is to use everything that's out there that's useful and only build what we need to build when there is a hole, and work more seriously on the integration of all of these things to a user delivered through a web browser. Visualization, as I say, these are actual shots from the site currently. This is one of the most recent ones. It's also one of the most impossible for you to see. But on the site, it's better to see. This is actually a disease view. And in the disease view, you are now seeing relationships between organisms, hosts and pathogens, and diseases. And currently, this is mostly focused at the molecular level, but of course, in the future, we expect to go to other. One of the difficulties with this kind of visualization is, of course, by the time you have thousands and thousands and thousands of things here, it either looks like pasta, spaghetti, or something like that. A friend of mine once called it a cat fur ball. And so it's not very visually helpful to somebody who's trying to reason with this. And so we have data sets that have thousands and thousands of these, and we are still struggling with ways to visualize this in a way that helps somebody find patterns and do things like that. So once again, I want to show you this because this is from the Atkins report. And we have that distributed team that I mentioned to you. And between us, we have people who focus on these ends. For example, our colleagues at Argonne at the University of Chicago and Manchester and Tokyo tend to be very strong in these areas. We interface with core facilities on this, how to take data from machines into the system. We, in my group, focus a lot on these two areas. We specialize in these areas. And oops.